Let me tell you something about real estate. Success isn't just about location anymore. It's about information. In today's market, you're dealing with a flood of data, clients, and now, a whole new team of digital helpers, AI agents. Think of these agents as your specialized employees. You've got one that answers late-night client questions, another that vets potential investors, and a third that analyzes market trends while you sleep. They're a fantastic workforce, but without a boss to keep them in line, you've got chaos. That's where an AI Agent Registry comes in. It's the single best tool you're not using yet. So, what exactly is an AI Agent Registry? Forget the complicated tech jargon. An AI agent is like the master key system for a giant apartment building. You don't carry 100 different keys for every single door, do you? Of course not. You have one master key, or a simple, organized board in the management office that tells you which key opens which door, who has access, and when the locks were last changed. An AI Agent Registry does the exact same thing for your digital tools. It's a central dashboard, your command center, where you can see every single AI agent you use, what it does, and how it's performing. It's organized, it's simple, and it puts you back in control. In the fast-paced world of real estate, especially with new frontiers like eco-luxury tokenized properties, you need to be nimble. Investors have questions around the clock, and compliance rules are getting tougher. An AI Agent Registry isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for staying ahead. It allows you to manage your chatbot that handles investor FAQs, your automation tool that processes Know Your Customer documents, and your analytics bot that scours the web for the next hot neighborhood. Instead of juggling a dozen different software logins and trying to remember which tool does what, you have a single source of truth. It's about working smarter, not harder. This concept is the difference between running a mom-and-pop shop and building a real estate empire. A small-time operator might handle everything with sticky notes and a messy desktop, but a serious business owner builds systems. An AI Agent Registry is that system for your digital operations. It provides a clear overview, making sure that your specialized AI helpers are all working together seamlessly. When one agent flags a potential issue, like a document failing a Know Your Customer check, the registry can automatically trigger another agent to notify the client and request the correct information. It's a beautiful, self-managing machine that frees you up to do what you do best: close deals. Let's get down to brass tacks. How does this registry actually make you money and save you headaches? It all comes down to organization. Imagine you're launching a new tokenized property, a stunning, eco-friendly villa. You're attracting investors from all over the world. The problem? Regulations. Some investors are from regions where your offering isn't available. Without a system, your team wastes hours manually checking each applicant's location, or worse, you face compliance fines. With an agent registry, you deploy a geographic compliance agent. This bot automatically checks an investor's location upon sign-up. If they're in a restricted area, it instantly sends a polite "not available in your area" message and can even suggest other investment opportunities they are eligible for. Now let's talk about the endless stream of questions. Every serious investor wants to feel confident before they put their money down. Your team can't be available 24/7 to answer every single query about sustainability certifications, tokenomics, or projected returns. This is where your investor relations chatbot comes in. This isn't just any simple FAQ bot, it's a highly trained specialist. Through your registry, you can easily update its knowledge base with the latest project details. The registry monitors its performance, tracking which questions it answers successfully, and flagging complex queries that need a human touch. This ensures investors get instant, accurate answers, building trust, and moving them closer to a decision. Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering checks are the bane of every real estate professional's existence. They are tedious, time-consuming, and absolutely critical for compliance. An agent registry turns this bottleneck into a smooth, automated workflow. You can connect a KYC verification agent that handles the entire process. When a new investor signs up, this agent requests their documents, uses AI to verify their identity against official databases, and checks for any red flags. The registry logs every step of this process, creating a perfect auditable trail. If an issue arises, the agent can automatically escalate the case to your compliance officer. You've just saved dozens of hours per week and drastically reduced your risk. The real magic happens when these agents work together, orchestrated by the registry. Think of it as a well-run open house. The greeting agent at the door, the sign-up bot, directs a visitor to the property expert, the investor chatbot, who then introduces them to the finance specialist, the KYC agent. The registry is the event manager making sure everyone knows their role. For instance, once the geographic compliance agent approves an investor's location, it signals the KYC agent to begin its checks. Once KYC is cleared, the investor relations chatbot is notified to send a welcome package. This seamless integration ensures a professional, efficient experience for your clients and a scalable, profitable operation for your business. Alright, you're sold on the idea, but you're a real estate pro, not a tech wizard. You hear build a registry and you see dollar signs and a team of developers? Forget that. You can build your own basic registry without writing a single line of code. It's easier than you think. The first step is to simply take inventory. Open up a spreadsheet or use a simple database tool. I'm talking about something as easy as Airtable or Notion. Create columns for agent name, purpose, status, active or inactive, owner, who on your team is responsible, and access link. List every single AI tool you use, from the chatbot on your website to the market analysis software you subscribe to. This simple list is the foundation of your registry. Now let's make it smarter. Step 2 is to use a no-code automation platform like Zapier or Make. These tools are the glue that connects your different apps. Think of them as your digital assistant who can perform tasks automatically. You'll start by creating simple if this, then that rules. For example, create a zap that says, if a new user signs up on our investment platform, then send their email to our KYC verification tool. You can build another rule. If the KYC agent flags a document as incomplete, then automatically send a pre-written email to the user asking for a new upload. You're not coding, you're just drawing lines between boxes. Step 3 is to create a central dashboard to see everything in one place. You can use a tool like Retool or even a more advanced Notion page for this. The goal is to build a simple interface that pulls information from your inventory spreadsheet and your automation platform. You can create a view that shows you how many investors are currently in the KYC process, how many signups were blocked due to location restrictions, or how many questions your chatbot answered this week. This isn't about complex engineering. It's about connecting your existing tools to a single screen, so you have a bird's-eye view of your entire digital operation. Finally, step 4 is to test and refine. Your first version won't be perfect, and that's okay. Start with just one process, like the investor sign-up and KYC workflow. Run a few test sign-ups yourself to see if the automations work as expected. Did you get the right email? Did the status update in your Airtable registry? Observe where the process breaks down and tweak your rules in Zapier or Make. The beauty of no code is that making changes is as simple as dragging and dropping. By starting small and focusing on one clear problem, you'll build a powerful, custom-fit system without the massive expense of a custom software project. Let's be realistic, it's not all sunshine and roses. The biggest challenge you'll face is what I call tool sprawl. You probably have a dozen different subscriptions and platforms, and getting them all to talk to each other can be tricky. The solution is to start simple. Don't try to connect everything at once. Pick the one process that causes you the most pain. Maybe it's vetting leads or handling Know Your Customer, and focus on automating just that. Another challenge is ensuring data security. When you're connecting different systems, you must be sure that sensitive client information is protected. Always use trusted, well-known, no-code platforms, and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Now for the exciting part, the opportunities. A well-oiled AI agent registry doesn't just save you time, it opens up new avenues for profit. With your processes streamlined, you can handle a higher volume of investors with the same size team, allowing you to take on more projects and scale your business faster. You can offer a superior client experience that sets you apart from the competition. Imagine an investor who gets their questions answered instantly and passes Know Your Customer in minutes versus one who waits days for a response. Who do you think they'll trust with their money? This efficiency becomes your brand's biggest selling point. The biggest opportunity is scalability. Once you have a registry managing your agents, you can easily add new ones to tackle new problems. Want to enter a new market? Deploy a new language-specific chatbot. Worried about market volatility? Add an agent that monitors financial news and sends you real-time alerts. Your registry acts as a plug-and-play system for business growth. It transforms your operations from a rigid structure into an adaptable, intelligent ecosystem that can pivot as quickly as the market does. This agility is priceless in the world of real estate, especially when dealing with the dynamic market of tokenized assets. So, what's your first step? Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect tool. Today, right after you finish reading this, take out a piece of paper or open a new spreadsheet. Write down the top 3 most repetitive, time-consuming tasks your team does every single day. Next to each one, brainstorm what a perfect digital employee would do to handle it. That's it. That's the start of your AI agent strategy. From there, you can explore the no-code tools I mentioned. The key is to take action. The future of real estate is intelligent automation, and the smartest players are building their systems right now. Don't get left behind. Enjoyed learning about AI agents? Give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and hit that subscribe button for more. Drop a comment below if there's any other jargon you'd like us to explain.